This is the canyon here that you can see. I'm here in the bright canyon today. Namaste, Jai Shivai. I'm sitting here in a beautiful, quiet canyon, and you see, every now and then you find me in nature, in mountains, and doing stuff here and there in the nature. Why is it so important to be in the nature? You know, when you are walking your spiritual journey, it is about keeping your etheric body, your energy body, pure. I'm sitting in the water. So it's very important actually to purify your etheric body. And the fastest and most easiest way to do it is by being in the nature. You know, be surrounded by such natural canyons, nothing man-made around me, you know, not a man-made surrounding. So nature purifies your etheric body. That is one thing that it does. Another thing that it does is that you are made up of same 5 elements: air, water, fire, earth, and earth, water, fire, and space, ether that you call, and air. So all these things, you know, makes your existence, and all these things actually are found in abundance in this existence. So you find the affinity from the nature. Very easily you find the affinity. And the more you connect to the nature, the more you grow on the in your spiritual journey. It's not that it wasn't just a fanciful idea to do the tapas on Himalayas. Not only that, when lot of people do tapasya or spiritual sadhana at one place, then the energy changes, the energy signature of that place changes. So naturally the energy is uplifted, the consciousness is uplifted. And in any other country or any other place, yeah, there are no Himalayas here, but we still find lot of beautiful mountains, beautiful rivers flowing in the mountain, canyons, and you can always find such places. In earlier times, you know, the spiritual people, the yogis, they used to do tapasya where their energy is not going to go down just every now and then. So doing tapas in the city is very difficult job, very difficult to manage and retain your energy. Why? The floors are carpeted, or if they are not carpeted, then they have wooden floors. Even if you have wooden floors, there is a artificial plastic lining underneath for the moisture, so you're not walking on the earth. And the way when you walk on the earth would simply take away the negative ions that you have. And science has proven all these things, that negative energy, or the dark energy, the dense energy which is lingering in your etheric body here and there because of the emotional waves that you feel from time to time, because of the way you work around time to time and you deal with life, with people. It's very easy to just let go or release that energy when you are in nature. It just naturally happens. It's effortless actually. So doing sadhana in the nature is always gives much more results. It's easier to do sadhana. It's easier to be meditative in peaceful surroundings like this. And there's tremendous health benefit as well. How many people are sick today because of the all kinds of radiations and vibrations that we have? Internet, infrared radiation, and ACs and heaters all the time doing goo sound, and lot of useless vibration that just enters our etheric body all the time. It crosses our etheric body and just disturbs it. But here, the natural sounds, the natural space that you have, it just uplifts you. So it is highly recommended for you, if you are living a city life, that if you can, whatever forest area you have around, whatever mountains area you have around, just go there. Be in the forest for some time. Be in the mountains for some time. For all my spiritual journey, every 2 months, 3 months, I was just going there. 5-7 days, I was gone. And I used to just go to lots of natural parks and natural reserves around in the America. Now here I'm in Australia, I still keep going there. Just because once you get used to of this, you don't like much in the city. And you just connect with nature. Be one with everything that is. Be one with the birds that are chirping, the cockatoos shouting here. Little white birds, very beautiful white birds. So be in the nature as much as possible for you, okay? Be in the nature, just run away whenever you get time. And do your sadhana maximum time. Try to do your sadhana in the mountains. It's very much fruitful. It works. It's easier to be meditative in such surroundings. Okay? And you figure out your forest around you, nature around you, and I am going to enjoy here. After all, this is the last lifetime I have, so I have to not just teach and do all the worldly stuff. I am here to enjoy the nature, the life, as much as possible. All right, time to go tubing in this river. Namaste. Jai Shivaya.